Have you ever pondered about the potential of a machine to mimic human intelligence? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? This is the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI, a field of computer science that is revolutionizing our world. AI is all about creating machines that can understand, learn, and act, just like us humans. It's about transforming raw data into meaningful insights, making our lives more efficient and our decisions more informed. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and even learns from your behavior. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the reality of AI. And one such creation in the world of AI is Sora AI. An innovative intelligence system, Sora AI exemplifies the capabilities and potential of artificial intelligence, showcasing the immense possibilities that lie in this technology. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive deeper into the world of Sora AI. Imagine a world where technology not only complements human intelligence, but also enhances it. This is the world that Sora AI brings to life. Let's dive into the heart of Sora AI, its features. Sora AI is not simply a program, it's a learning system. It's designed with a dynamic learning capability that allows it to absorb and process information much like the human brain. Every interaction, every piece of data enriches its knowledge base, allowing it to make more informed, accurate decisions over time. Whether it's recognizing patterns in data or predicting future trends, Sora AI's learning capability ensures it grows smarter with each use. Moving on to its adaptability, Sora AI is a champion of change. It's designed to adapt to evolving situations and environments. Whether it's a shift in market trends or a change in user behavior, Sora AI can adjust its algorithms to better suit the new circumstances. It's like a chameleon, seamlessly blending into its environment to deliver optimal results. Now let's talk about performance. Sora AI is a powerhouse. Its high processing speed enables it to analyze vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye. It can sift through complex datasets, identify patterns, and generate insights faster than any human could. And it's not just about speed, it's about precision too. Sora AI's algorithms are fine-tuned to ensure the highest degree of accuracy in every task it undertakes. But what makes Sora AI truly remarkable is how these features work together. Its learning capabilities feed its adaptability, allowing it to evolve and improve over time. Its adaptability enhances its performance, enabling it to deliver accurate results even in changing circumstances. And its high performance drives its learning, enabling it to process more data and learn faster. It's a virtuous cycle that makes Sora AI a powerful, ever-evolving system. With these features, Sora AI introduces us to a new era of artificial intelligence. The power of Sora AI does not simply lie in its features, but in its real-world applications. Let's dive into some of them. Sora AI excels in data analysis, sifting through vast amounts of data to derive meaningful insights. Whether it's identifying trends in customer behavior or detecting anomalies in system performance, Sora AI makes data interpretation a breeze. Next, predictive modeling. Sora AI can predict future outcomes based on past data. This can be incredibly beneficial in industries like finance or healthcare, where forecasting trends can have a significant impact. Lastly, automation. Sora AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for the workforce. It can manage your emails, schedule appointments, or even run quality checks in manufacturing units, all without human intervention. Sora AI, therefore, is not just a concept, but a real-world solution poised to transform the way we live and work. So, where does this leave us in the grand scheme of AI? In the last few minutes, we've journeyed through the intriguing world of Sora AI. We've understood its core concept, a sophisticated and advanced form of artificial intelligence designed to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. We've delved into its features, from its self-learning algorithms to its ability to adapt and improve over time. And we've seen how Sora AI is being applied in various fields, from healthcare to finance, driving efficiency and innovation. The potential impact of Sora AI on our future cannot be overstated. It holds the promise of transforming industries, reshaping economies, and redefining the boundaries of what's possible. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, Sora AI is not just a tool, but a partner that can help us navigate the complex landscape of the future. As we continue to explore the potentials of AI, Sora AI stands as a beacon, illuminating the path to a future where technology and human intelligence work hand in hand.